In this video, I will show you how to insert bar chart in Microsoft Excel. I have some data. So just you have to select it, your data, then insert, and here you have to select this one. So you can select 2D, 3D, whatever you need or like, just select it. Here you can change title, you can give any name for this chart. Here you can add some more options or you can remove some options. Once you select this chart, so you can change the style, color, background. Again you need to make changes, so add here, and once you click here, so select data and just you have to increase this size like this and click on OK. So now your data will be up to date. So thanks for watching.